Hello friends, good morning. How are you? Buenos dias. I'm Vijay and you're watching my vlog, Vidi Vlogs, and today I have come to a natural place. So I'm going to show you what is around me and we are going to look around everything. So stay with me. Hi friends, today I have come to a beautiful place and this is natural. Everywhere you can see that greenery, trees. You feel like you have come to the jungle. So I am going to show you a little brook. It is here, as you can see that. Water flow looks beautiful. Look at everything. This path is too muddy, so we have to walk carefully. In India, most of the way to the farm is like this. It has water flow one side and one side it is road. Not road but the way, path to go to farm. And this is very peaceful environment, especially in rainy season. Because you know that in cloudy weather, it feels like you have come to jungle and it feels like you have come to a peaceful place. So it is very beautiful thing. We have this amazing life. I hope that in your own country also. So my best try is to show you this type of weather, the condition in India, that so that you can also know about this. Look, we have another beautiful water flow, little brook. So I'm going to show you this. It is amazing. Look around. Hello friends, if you like this video then subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching this.